That was
28.
This is 29, sorry.
We have a test next.
This is
That-
29.
Because that one was 28.
Yeah.
Oh, I've been putting the wrong days on there, wasn't I? Sorry, y'all.
So this
Yes.
one was 28.
What? Go
We have
ahead.
a test next Thursday.
That is the plan.
I won't be there. I'm just kidding.
Okay. That is the plan, but it is only a 1-day test.
Oh,
Oh,
It's a little
why?
different.
Calculator?
no,
Why is it only 1 day?
Yes.
Cool.
I'm pretty sure.
Hold on, why is it only 1 day?
Because it's only covering 2 things:
Okay.
implicit differentiation and related rates.
Maybe it's
And those take a little while, but
Okay, we're about to have a bunch of tests.
I don't wanna
teachers are gonna
overdo it.
finish their stuff.
I might get quarantined tomorrow.
yeah,
Me.
I've heard about that.
Oh, Karen told you.
Chloe.
Oh,
I was
person I'm
working
thinking
with
about?
Chloe.
awesome.
That might
So
be
me
me.
too.
Well, I don't know.
Maybe.
You're
I mean,
supposed to
if-
be.
Anyways, here we go, y'all. Consider the curve given by
Shh.
So,
They put
Faith. Thank you. Consider the curve blah. We're supposed to show that the derivative is equal to that. So they tell us what the derivative is equal to. This is an old free response question from 2000.
Wow, that is really good.
They're the
It's
same.
20 years old.
They do the same thing over and over again. So you'll see on the next several. So what we do is we're going to take the derivative of that.
Product rule.
So A, we have product rule. You're absolutely right.
And the function.
No.
No.
But it's division.
No,
No.
that's what we're trying to get.
Yeah, we're doing opposite.
Oh, okay. Never mind.
So product rule twice, actually.
Gross.
That's crazy.
Okay, I forgot.
So, derivative of the, are you telling me to hold on?
No.
Okay. Derivative of the first, which is 1, times the second, plus first times the derivative of the second, dy dx. Then the derivative of the first times the second, plus the first times the derivative of the second, which is just y, but then don't forget the dy dx, or which is just 1, sorry, but don't forget the dy dx.
That wasn't that good.
No,
Do we know if we tested positive or not?
So,
stop.
can we add?
Can we, okay, yeah. We want to move things over left and right. Now, notice the way we're wanting it to look like this. So we need the 3x squared y to be positive.
Yeah.
So we're going to move these 2 things to the other side. Not those 2. I like. Sorry. We're going to move this one and this one. There it is. To the other side. And then factor out a dy dx. So we have dy dx and times 2xy. This looks better with the 2 first. And then minus x cubed equals positive 3x squared y minus y squared. And then we just divide.
Wait, so that's how the
That's
questions are going to be on the test?
Could be.
That wasn't too hard.
No.
I'll probably just change myself right there.
No, the great thing is that it gave you, and we've done one like this before, it just was an implicit differentiation, where they give you what it's supposed to be. So you just have to show how to get there.
It's like proofs.
Yes, it is.
I feel like
Oh yes, I remember having this conversation. Okay, part B.
Are they gonna give us more work? Like not work.
More room, yeah.
No, because that happened.
Yeah, my hand.
Oh,
Are we
yeah.
gonna be taking
You have lots of room.
Are we going to be taking the AP test online?
They have not said yet.
I hope not.
They probably
I hated
won't
it
say
last
so.
year.
They won't, yeah, they won't make a decision until it's time. I hope not. I hope we get to do it here.
No, I like doing
I'd rather do the
No.
physics online.
I
Yeah,
hated doing online because I was like completely relying on multiple choice, and they just go to the essay portion.
I was relying on my essay skills to pass, which I did, but
I didn't pass because I was relying on multiple choice.
Okay, so B, find all the points on the curve whose x-coordinate is 1, and write an equation for the tangent line at each of these points. So it's 2 questions in one. First one is find all the points on the curve whose x-coordinate equals 1. So what did you say?
do we said equal to 1?
So what equals 1?
The
Derivative?
3x squared minus y over 2x.
No.
We just plug in one.
I thought
Okay.
we plugged it in.
Yeah, it's in this
Oh.
first one. We're going to find where the x-coordinate, wrong problem.
Why?
Where the x-coordinate is 1, all the points on the curve where the x-coordinate is 1. So we're solving for y.
Oh, okay.
So, and it doesn't say anything on this first part about the slope of the tangent line, so that's how I know it's not the derivative. So I have 1 y squared minus 1 cubed y equals 6. We're going to make that prettier. So that's y squared minus y minus 6 equals 0. That we can do.
Y equals also b plus zero. I guess okay, that works too.
Yeah, we don't want to do that.
2 numbers that
No.
multiply to equal negative 6, but add to give us negative 1.
2 and negative 3.
Two.
We're good.
Y is negative 2, and y is 3. Now we need to look at the way our question was asked. It was find all points.
So we have to put 1, negative 2, 1,
Yes. So that's the first part.
Yeah.
3. So it's BI.
What?
The second part of that same question, this is still part B, says write the equation for the tangent line at each of these points. So we have pi.
I mean,
There's just
you
2 of them.
technically saw it, we should like plug it in.
That's right, we have the slope, we just gotta plug it in. Sorry, I had a tickle.
I'm scared to cough in public.
Oh, that was me all last
I am too, unless people are up in my face
That's
and I start coughing.
My sister found a caterpillar in her broccoli last night. Yeah, it was cooked and everything.
Oh my gosh, did she lose it?
No, we've had it on a napkin.
I would be traumatized. I wouldn't eat broccoli ever again.
I'm confused.
I meant, did she have a heart attack? And he was like, oh no, she's being.
Oh, I
Because it's
I was confused.
No.
I mean, she didn't eat after that.
Oh my!
I would eat it.
I would have had a heart attack.
You know those like frozen broccoli things?
Yeah, I use those all
You're at
the
home.
time.
My dad said he saw it. He just thought it was a broccoli stem.
Oh.
Oh
Okay, so dy dx at 1, negative 2. And the good thing is, now let's say on this problem, you couldn't figure out part A. But we still know the answer to part A.
no. They should do that all the time.
They often do. They won't penalize you for one if you don't get the other. Okay. So I plugged that in. It is 3 times 1 squared times negative 2 minus negative 2 squared over 2 times 1 times negative 2 minus 1 cubed. I believe that equals 0.
Oh, that's cute. Maybe zero.
No, it doesn't. Equals 2. I was doing the wrong one. Sorry. I know. The next one's 0.
Fun. So how are we gonna write that slow? Just equal 0.
Yeah, you just put the slope in as 0.
Oh, the top would equal
Yeah.
Okay, so it would be, this one would be, and I plugged in 1, 2, so it's that first point. So y plus 2